Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
One of the most active digital currencies to shake the crypto world is Decentraland, MANA. Specifically, the cryptographic money had the option to arrive at a record-breaking excessive cost of $5.90 at a certain point. MANA is one of the cryptographic forms of money that are expanding in a scheme that certain individuals view as the most surprising. MANA has existed since the year 2019. Because of the critical interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in MANA saw a 100% profit from their speculations. We look at MANA's presentation in this Decentraland evaluating examination and conjecture. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland, MANA, and its place right now in the digital currency market. What is Decentraland, MANA? A computer-generated experience stage called Decentraland, MANA, is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to create, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the primary token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a design show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. The MANA ERC20 token should be synced to get non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, MANA tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. This year, MANA is supposed to make money on account of its market execution. How about we happen to the investigation to see whether the evaluating examples could give any more direction? Decentraland, MANA, Fundamental Analysis. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called MANA. You might adjust your look, investigate and make, and buy merchandise and land in this virtual world. Also, there are different landscapes, courts, and craftsmanship historical centers to investigate for quite a long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot in view of the connection point's convenience. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based dApps, it is tantamount to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought around €22 million up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the MANA stage is used for things that might be redone, like wearables, veils, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland, MANA, technical analysis. What must be noted for this situation is that the money has lain lethargic since send-off, as per the latest news and speculation exhortation from crypto experts and investigators, without really any indication of something going on under the surface for clients. In spite of progressions and advances in blockchain innovation, this resource stayed detached and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland cryptographic money was around $0.024 at the hour of commencement. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents, however it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help levels. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see huge variances and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then, at that point, went through a few extra reciprocals with the force of its tsunami. The MANA digital money rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. MANA kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. In any case, subsequent to coming to another high, the MANA continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell beneath 65 cents. Afterward, the MANA coin saw a huge increment that raised the cost to more than $3.50. Following that, the money's exchanging was recognizably sure and arrived at another record high of $5.90. Notwithstanding, the MANA cost saw a significant remedy subsequent to coming to another ADH, which made the Decentraland value drop to generally $2. Following that, Decentraland's value gets back to its past degree of generally $3. Decentraland, MANA, current price. Decentraland is presently worth $0.772768 US dollars. Mana has moved -7.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $187,782,050. Decentraland is presently positioned 37 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,436,166,183. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2022. Decentraland, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, MANA. The Mana cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.16. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.08 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Mana is supposed to have a base worth of $0.927245. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Decentraland Mana cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mana will before long outperform $1.93. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mana's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mana will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.55 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.70. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.70 and Mana might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mana is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.47 and a low of $2.32 in 2024. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2025. On the off chance that Decentraland effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Mana coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mana will be green in 2025. The Mana is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.48, with a base cost of $3.09 and a typical cost of $3.25. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mana cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.02 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.